Your chakras are only opened with the guidance of Samarth Guru who are Tattvagya themselves, not people like even us, you know. I don't want to sell myself off like that, because today my punya is there that okay, I have people who listen to me, believe me, but once this time, because my punya is also temporary, it's gonna finish, then what I'm gonna be, if I'm gonna toy with you, it's gonna carry forward with me. Now a very small example, now that you asked, we all shared like, no, don't fall for this ever and never, that सोचो कि Aman ji, Nilima ji went with me somewhere, okay, and I did something very mischievous. Okay, I went to a store, मैंने उसका कोई सामान अपने बैग में डाल दिया, and it came in the CCTV, and these are the two people who are with me, and हम लोग पकड़े गए, right? तो पकड़े गए तो तीनों पकड़े गए, right? अब ये लोग क्या बोलेंगे, हमारी क्या गलती, हम तो इसके साथ थे, इसने तो बोला कि हम खाना लेने जाएंगे, मैं तुम्हारे को आइसक्रीम खिलाऊंगी, पर गए ना सिर्फ मात्र एक ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ जिसको आपको नहीं पता था उसकी इंटेंशन पीछे क्या है, उसने कांड कर दिया। अब क्योंकि आप उसके साथ गए वहाँ तक, आपको सारे कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस करने पड़ते हैं। तो imagine these scientific, these subtle science subjects that are given to us by gods, translated and taught, should be taught to us by the Tattvagya gurus, is now being taught by anyone walking on the street. So where will I take you? I'll take you to the wrong destination, because I myself don't know the destination. Now that I've taken you to the wrong destination, you are at the wrong destination, no matter how nice I make you feel. So that makes us also understand we are foolish. We are foolish to fall for praise. We are foolish to still feel good all the time, because with the real gurus, it's impossible to feel good all the time. It's always a challenging feeling. It's always how do I become better? How do I be here? What can I do better? So until or unless the guru themselves are not coming from authentic sampradayas, simple formula, they don't come from authentic sampradayas, they don't come from lineages, done. Okay, yes, my aura is healed. Yes, it's open. And there are so many tricks to show you, oh see, it's moving in the left and the sound is like this and that. Okay, most important thing you have to know, the universe developed from the sound has an effect on you. Listen to the ragas, it will have an effect on you. Another thing, अगर आपके चक्रा इतने ही बंद होते ना और इतने ही ब्लॉक्ड होते तो आप विक्षिप्त होते, मतलब you would be a crazy person. You're not crazy, it means your chakra are working fine, but that if you want that, you know, that animation in which they show boom 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 boom, you know, वो समाधि की स्थिति है। तो हमने यम नहीं किए, नियम नहीं किए, प्रत्याहार से हमें कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है, ध्यान हमारा लगता नहीं है, ठीक है, बैठा हमसे जाता नहीं है, पर चक्रा मेरे खुल गए। तो ये सब ऐसा नहीं होता है।